Good morning, day 2 of Vlogmas. There's definitely a really hot guy in this truck behind me watching me. I am currently pulling up to order at Starbucks because I'm a basic. And then I'm gonna go get my nails done. As you can see, I'm actually wearing makeup today, but it's not done yet. So today's really exciting because I have my hand modeling gig and it's in San Juan Capistrano, so it's gonna be kind of a drive. But I'm really looking forward to this. I really need to just like get out and do more opportunities like this. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I don't know, just following through on this. I don't know what else I was gonna say. I feel boring. Okay, this is literally the worst makeup look I've probably ever done. Like, I look like I slept in this, but we're gonna go for it. Good thing my hands are being the models today and not my face, but look at how cute they look. Love it. Super excited. I'm a little nervous, but it should be freaking exciting. I'm really excited. Look how freaking cute this place is. I love it.
Last thing, just move your entire body this way a little bit.
So I'm done with my hand modeling shoot and it was a great experience. I had a lot of fun and I met a lot of really cool girls there. I should probably wait to get in my car, shouldn't I? So I'm back from my little hand modeling shoot and it was honestly such a great experience. Natasha's so sweet and it was really cool to like see her workspace and just see somebody who's like making a living doing like something that they're passionate about, that's creative, and it was just really cool for me to be on set. Sorry if I'm like huffing and puffing. I just like walked down like 3 flights of stairs, but yeah, so it was a really good experience and I'm really excited to see how they turned out. I'm sure you guys are dying over the footage of that office because so cute. So now I have literally a 2-hour drive back home, which is a little frustrating because when I came, it was only an hour and now it's 2 hours to get home. So I'm probably gonna listen to my friend Taylor King's podcast because I love her podcast. It's called TK's Juicy Pods and she's actually interviewed me and hopefully that will be posted sometime soon. I'm gonna go home and try to edit all this, which I haven't really edited a video since like, I don't know, like 3 years ago, like one of my videos. So let's see how that gets done, shall we? Okay, let's go.
Hello!
Mommy's home. Mommy's home. Hi. How was your day? Love you. I have to like sit down and edit all of this footage, and I'm sorry things are like gonna be a little bit delayed, but that's just what happens when you've been out of the YouTube game. Like, please just bear with me. And also that podcast was bomb. You guys should definitely check it out. I'm gonna have it linked down below. Shameless friend plug. Her freaking car. Oh my god. I can literally hear your music when you're on the vlog.
I didn't mean to make you wait in the rain. I didn't even think that you would be out that quickly.
No, I was out so quick and you're here and I was like, lies. So we're at our favorite restaurant, Cafe Rio.
Cafe Rio!
And we've been wanting to come here for a few days now, so.
Yeah, and I hope that their romaine lettuce is the E. coli free one.
Okay, I was watching Taylor's Vlogmas and somebody ordered romaine at a table in New York and they said that if it was if it was delivered after November 23rd, I think it's fine.
Okay.
But also we had E. coli free lettuce last night, so.
I think it hasn't been a full 24 hours yet.
Oh, does it have to be a full 20?
Well, that's what I've heard.
I feel like we would know it this morning. She texted me and was like, are you feeling sick? And I thought that meant that you were feeling sick. And I was like, oh no, are you good? And then I was kind of second guessing. I'm like, wait, am I feeling okay? But I think we're okay.
So far, so good.
So good.
So good.
So good. Okay, we're gonna go get so good burritos. Well, I don't know. Maybe
E. coli free lettuce.
Maybe I'll try to get us out. We'll see.
Hi. Wait, do you guys have, this is a funny question. Is it E. coli free lettuce?
Oh, look at this.
Are you sure?
The romaine is back.
And it tastes so good.
Okay. Salads for Belle? Once? Okay.
Can I get a salad, please?
Yes. Get that bread. Oh my god, this is the cutest shit I've ever seen.
We love each other.